Hello students. So we are again back with solving equations, but before solving equations we must know some rules. So then only we can solve equation easily. So far we have seen what is equation, how to check the solution of the equations, how to convert statement to equation and equation to statement. Statement to an equation and equation to one statement. So far we have seen this one. Now see how to solve before solving equations. So some rules are there. So let's see. First rule is if we add the same number. First is if we add the same number to both sides of the equation. To both sides of a balanced equation means the equation is already balanced. The balance is undisturbed or equation still hold. So see children, let's start by taking one equation. Simple, I am taking numerical equation. You know 7 equals to 5 plus 2. This is a balanced equation. 7 equals to 5 plus 2. This is a balanced equation. And if we add some numbers to both the sides, अगर हम इनमें दोनों में सेम नंबर ऐड कर देते हैं, अभी 7 इक्वल्स 5 प्लस 2 ये बैलेंस इक्वेशन ली, ये न्यूमेरिकल इक्वेशन है पूरी. अभी हम वेरिएबल वाली इक्वेशन भी लेंगे. तो 7 equals to 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 equals to 7. Now if we add something, let's add, this is equation again I am writing, 7 equals to 5 plus 2. Now I am adding 3 to both sides. Now I am adding 3 to both sides. So we have added 3. So what we get? 7 plus 3, 10. And 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, again we are getting 10. So if we add the same number to both sides of balance equation, this is balance one, the balance is undisturbed, it will not disturb and we'll get the same. Will not balance is remain same. So 10 equals to 10, again we are getting 7 equals to 7 and here we are getting 10 equals to 10. So if we add anything to both sides, but both sides, remember the both sides, if we not adding in both sides then the equation is unbalanced. So every time remember, whatever we are adding to the left hand side, the same we have to add to the right hand side also. So balance will remain same and same number you have to add. And don't think that कि यहाँ पे हम 3 ऐड कर देते हैं, यहाँ पे हम 4 ऐड कर देते हैं, ऐसा भी नहीं. हमें same number दोनों साइड में ऐड करना. So balance will remain undisturbed. So let's see how to solve equation. We'll take one equation with variable. Example 1. This is first example. This is second example we am taking. Suppose x plus 5 equals to 4. This is one of the equation. Now we are going to solve this equation with the help of this addition method. Or we'll take minus 5 here. Instead of plus we are taking minus to solve it. Addition one we have to see. So let's take minus 5 instead of this. So x minus 5 equals to 4, we have taken one of the equation. Now I am adding 5 to both sides. So this is our equation. Now I am adding 5 to both sides. So let's add 5 to both sides. Here also 5. Here also I am adding 5. तो balance is undisturbed. अगर हम दोनों में एक ही जैसा number add करेंगे तो balance is undisturbed. Balance will not change. So we have added plus 5 here. So here also we have added plus 5 here. Now minus 5 and plus 5 cancel out. So what we got, x equals to 4 plus 5 is 9. So see children, our equation is solved and we got the value of x equals to 9. So this is the first one, addition method, when we have to add the same number to both the sides. And children, why we have added? Because here it is minus 5. So we have to remove this minus 5 because we need only variable here. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हमें सिर्फ वेरिएबल चाहिए. तो माइनस 5 है इसलिए मैंने प्लस 5 कर दिया. अगर यहाँ प्लस 5 होता तो हम माइनस कर देते, जो कि हम सेकेंड रूल में अभी देखेंगे. Okay, so understood. If we add the same number to both sides, so same number if we add, then our equation is will still hold and the balance is undisturbed. And we got the solution also, x equals to 9. Now see the second rule. What is our second rule? If we subtract the same number from both sides of a balance equation, the balance is undisturbed. Similarly, instead of addition, now we have to do subtraction. So let's take one more example. 11 equals to 5 plus 6. 11 equals to 5 plus 6. This is a balance equation. Both the side balance 11. 5 plus 6 also 11. So this is numerical equation. Now if we subtract anything, suppose we are subtracting 2 from both sides. So this is balance, both balance. Now I am going to subtract 2 from both sides. Same number we have to subtract both sides. So subtracted 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. 5 plus 6, 11. Oh yes, 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is again 9. So balance is undisturbed. Balance is not changing. Equation is still hold. So if we subtract the same number, then the balance is undisturbed. Equation still hold. Now let's take an variable 1 equation. Ab equation 1 with variable. Let's take example number 2. X minus, so plus this time, x plus 8 equals to 9. Let us take this equation. X plus 8 equals to 9. Now we have to solve this equation with the help of the subtraction method. So what we'll do, we will subtract from both the sides. दोनों तरफ हम क्या करने वाले हैं, -8 करने वाले. Why we have subtracted only 8? Because we need to remove this plus 8. We need to remove this 8 so that we will get only variable part in left hand side. हमें left hand side में से variable वाला part चाहिए. So that's why we are removing. अगर यहाँ 5 होता है plus 5 तो we will subtract -5 both sides. So plus 8 and -8 cancel out. 9 minus 8 is 1 and x equals to 1. So children, see how easily we have solved the equation. Only remember that we have to subtract the same thing from same number from both the sides of equation. With the equation still hold, and we can check also. X equals to 1 है तो 1 plus 8 कितना हुआ, 9, और 9 only it is coming. So understood the second rule. If you subtract the same number, the equation is still hold, the balance is undisturbed. Now we'll see the third rule. Now the third rule, if we multiply or divide, both sides of the equation by the same number, again by same number, every time remember you have to multiply or divide by the same number, the balance is undisturbed. So let's take one example. So 9 equals to 9. We know this one. 9 equals to 9. This is balance equation. This is numerical equation. Now if I multiply by the same number, on the both sides of the equation, let's multiply by 3. 3. So 9 3s are 27 and 9 3s are again 27. The balance is undisturbed. Balance is not disturbed. 9 3 are 27. Here also 9 3 are 27. So if you multiply by the same or divide, or let's take the example of division also. So we know 12 equals to 12. So let's divide it by both the sides same number, 12. So let's divide by 3. If we divide by the same number both the sides, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, the balance is undisturbed, equation is still hold, and we'll get the same. Left hand side and right hand side both equal, or left hand side right hand side both equal in case of division also, in case of multiplication also. So if you multiply or divide both sides by same number, the balance is undisturbed, but by the same number only. So let's take one example of containing variable part. So let's see. Let's take example. See now, x by 5 equals to 10. This one example I have taken. Now we are going to multiply the same number to both sides. So I am multiplying 5 on both sides. So here also 5, here also 5. So this 5 cancel out with this 5. So x equals to 50 we got. So see children, how easily we have done. Now let's take one example of this one. Division 1. So 7x equals to 21. I have taken one of the equation. Now we are going to divide the same number both sides. So we have divided by 7 both sides. 7 7 cut x equals to 7 3s are 21, x equals to 3. So same number we have divided. So only thing is that we have to multiply, add, subtract or divide by the same number. And if we fail to do the same number on both sides, the balance is undisturbed. So I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching this video.